And that's exactly why I put the bowl there. Idea, but take a bath this morning? It's always a really good sign when a bird takes a bath. It means they feel very comfortable in their environment. That's a good baby. That's a good baby. That's actually cold water. I just took it out of the Brita pitcher from the refrigerator, so I think it's kind of funny that he likes it cold. He's getting all in there. It's a pretty good sized bowl. It's not too deep and just fits them perfectly. And I just stick it on their playpen so they can do it in their playpen. So. He's gonna come attack me now. When he's done, he's gonna get me. Wet bird's gonna get me. Boy, you're making a mess. That's a good boy, BB. That's a good boy, BB. Wet bear.